Next topic, rest operator and spread operator. So both rest operator and spread operator used to handle or manage arrays and objects efficiently. So this is the syntax of rest operator, and spread operator also will share the same syntax. So both representing both rest operator and spread operator is three dots and a variable name, but they differ from the way they are behaving inside the code. So let us take rest operator first. We'll discuss in detail. Then we go for spread operator. Now I have created a function with rest operator, which means this rest operator is used to receive any number of arguments and convert it into an array and print it here. I can send two values as arguments. I can receive that argument as an array, or I can send any number of arguments. I can receive that as an array. So when a scenario we do not know how many number of parameters or arguments we will be passing, in that case we can use rest operator for a function to receive any number of arguments from the calling function. Okay, so next question. When we are using rest operator for a parameter in a function, can we use any other parameters additionally? The answer is yes. We can also use rest operator along with another parameters. So when I add one parameter here and then rest operator, in the sense the value which it is receiving, the first value will be pointed to this variable, first variable, and rest all of the values will be taken care by this rest operator. I am just printing the first variable separately and the other values separately. You can see. So this first value is directly taken by this variable, and that is why it is not an array here, and all the other values is received by this rest operator and then converted into array, and that is why we are having this as an array. Okay, this is one scenario. Then rest operator can be used to receive even the properties of an object. Let's say I have an object with three values, name, age and job, and I need to get these two details. For example, this age and job are the two details alone which I need. I can use rest operator to separate this name with these two values. How can I do this? Let name comma rest operator details. So what is the implementation of this line number 4? It will take this entire object, get the name key value pair separately and store it inside this variable name, and all the other values inside this details variable, because it is represented as rest operator. So when I print these details, I will get these two values. age and job I'm getting separately. So rest operator can be used to handle objects also. Now let us focus spread operator. So mainly spread operator is used to expand an array or object into individual elements. That is its main feature. Let a equal to comma 2 comma 4 comma 5, just an array. Now I need to expand this array into individual values. So what I'll do is I'm just going to add this array to another array. Let b equal to another array. I need all the values of this array. So I'm expanding this array using spread operator. This is not rest operator, no, this is spread operator. A comma additionally I need two more values, 7 comma 8. I am printing b. See, so values of this array a has been expanded here, and additionally I have added 7 and 8, and that is also added to this array and printed. So this is first main feature of spread operator. We can individually expand the array or expand the object. Now let us see how a spread operator can be used while calling a function. We will just compare both rest and spread. So rest operator will be used inside a function as an argument when we do not know how many number of parameters or arguments we will be passing. Indefinite number of arguments. Now coming to spread. So this is a function. We know how many values we have to send, but I do not want to send it as an individual values, or I have the values as an array. For example, let I have this as an array 34 8. Now in this scenario I need to send all these four values as abcd to spread operator, sorry, this spread OOP function. What I can do is I can straight away pass this numbers using spread operator, which means these four values as an array we are sending as spread operator. It will automatically expand this array as an individual value and send it to this function. This is the difference between rest and spread. So this is using rest operator and this is using spread operator. Next, we can even combine arrays using spread operator. Let combined array equal to spread operator of a comma spread operator of b. See, both arrays are expanded and combined into single array. So this spread operator A gets this 1 and 2 here, and the spread operator B gets 3 and 4 here, and combining it into separate array and printing. So we can use spread operator for this scenario also. So we can straight away use this for copying an array also. Simple. Rest operator A, this will copy the value of A to copy, and here we need to print the variable copy. So the value of A, array A is copied to the variable copy and printed. So likewise, this spread operator can be used to expand even objects. Let person equal to name I have an object. Now if I want to expand this object, let's see what it displays. Let new object equal to, I am just expanding this person object using spread operator, and expanding this job object using spread operator. Now new obj, you can see initially it was two objects. First object has two values and second object has one value, and we have expanded this first object here using spread and the second object using spread here, and that has been created into new object, and we have the merged object here. So this is how we can use spread operator for expanding even values of objects also. So there is an important point to be noted while using spread operator copy, which is called as shallow copy. I have an array, inside that I have an object. Now I am going to copy that into another array. Okay, so this original is expanded here and added into array. Now what I am going to do is copy of 0 dot name equal to bbb. I have just changed the value of copy variable. Now I am trying to console log of original. See, I have just copied this original to a variable named copy, and I have updated the name key value of copy alone, but I am printing original. I am getting the updated value, which means in shallow copy it copies the reference and not the value. So even if I use this copy, okay, I will get the reference of this array. So if I update the copy variable, the original value will be updated. Original value will get affected. And another small use case of combining rest operator and spread operator. Okay, so I need this part of array alone to be taken and added with one more value and print a separate array. In this scenario, we can use rest operator and spread operator combinedly to achieve this result. Let in a new array first comma all other values equal to numbers. Then again, so now here with the help of this operator, I have separated this one from all the other values. Okay, now new values equal to all other value comma 7 comma 8. I have added two more values. Now let's try printing it. New values. See, so we got the output as 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So this is the scenario where we can use both rest operator and spread operator combined to achieve or to remove a specific value in an array and to add another value, few more values to an array. So this is a specific use case. And the next part is even rest operator can be used in destructuring arrays and destructuring objects, which can be discussed in detail while we cover this destructuring part.